The revolutionary tool that has scaled the business of thousands of agents and agencies is now even more advanced. Introducing ARC and ARCPlus, the digital platforms that let you manage and consult every aspect of your business in one place, anytime and any way you want. Maximize your business opportunities and unlock unprecedented growth in the industry. Minimize your operational load to the bare minimum, ensure compliance, and save resources like never before. Anticipate your commissions and track your payments and reconciliations in real time. Forget about paperwork, uncertainty, and making phone calls. The future of personalized assistance is here. Join Claro Insurance today and discover our exclusive tools tailored to empower health and life insurance agents and agencies.